Hi, welcome to Blessed Brown Kitchen. You know, coming on to the Christmas season, we're going to bake all different type of things. So I'm going to show you how to make your cornbread. Right, so to make your cornbread, have cornmeal, flour, sugar, salt, and some baking powder. So you have milk, butter, and eggs. So this is what I'm going to bake into. So I'm going to preheat the oven. So I'm using 3 eggs, but I love to burst my egg, but sometimes the egg come and do not good. Okay, this one is good. This one is good. And this one is good. So I bake my butter, you see it in the microwave. Using some milk. And so we're adding some sugar. I want to mix them, everything mix right out. So I'm going to put it aside. I'm going to add in all of the dry ingredients. I put in some baking powder, salt, put in some cornmeal. A small amount of sugar to it. Add a small amount of milk. So mix up everything that's low. And make sure you mix it out till there's no lump inside of it, okay?